Hello guys, welcome back to our channel GM's Kitchen. So today's recipe is a very delicious recipe. So let's get into the video. Before that, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do like, share, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon aside. It's Malai Kofta. Let's get into the video. For making that malai kofta, I have heated up a kadai and adding a teaspoon of ghee. It's well heated, so now let's add a teaspoon of ghee. And to this next come oil. I'm adding a tablespoon of oil. And next comes the seasoning, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon coriander powder and a onion chopped finely. Now let's saute it well. And to this next comes green chili, 2 green chilies. To this I'm gonna add ginger and 4 garlic and gonna mix this. And comes cashew nut, 5 cashew nuts. So now let's add 1 tomato which is in the color of reddish color and a pinch of turmeric powder. Let's well saute it. And to this now I'm gonna sprinkle some water and gonna cook this. This mixture is cooked very nicely, very mashy. So now let it cool and let this mixture let's grind. In that gap, let's make kofta. Let's now switch off the stove. For making that kofta, I've taken some ingredients. Let's now see what are that ingredients. 1 potato cooked and grated, 1 green chili finely chopped, coriander leaves chopped, 200 grams of paneer cube grated homemade. I've created 200 grams of paneer. I usually do many times in my home this malai kofta. Do try this at your home and comment below how was your experience while doing this. 200 grams of paneer. So now let's add those grated paneer into this mixture. Let's now add maida to this, 1 tablespoon of maida, all-purpose flour. Let's now add salt to this mixture. Salt as per taste. Let's now mix this very nicely. See how the mixture is binding. It's binding very nicely. I didn't add water to this mixture. I've mixed this mixture very nicely. Let's now add few cashew nuts into this chopped. Few raisins too, a pinch of salt to this mixture, a pinch of chaat masala to this. Mix this very nicely. Let's now shape this mixture into a ball, kofta. So do like this and add some few of this raisin cashew mix and close this mix. Then the cashew and raisins will be secure. So now let's make everything into like this balls. oil. I've dipped the rolls in the corn flour. Let's now fry everything into the fried balls. If you are turning this into the other side, use a fork or a spoon. Otherwise, the balls will be broken. Now let's fry those everything into like these balls, like golden brown color. So now let's take this side also. I've taken a washed kadai and the water dries. Let's add ghee. 1 tablespoon ghee. And 2 leaves of bay leaf. 1 stick cinnamon. 2 clove. 2 cardamom. I've added water and grinded it to a paste. And now let's add the mixture. Grinded mixture. You can adjust your consistency by adding water. If you want like semi gravy, you can add water. So now let's add salt to this. Salt as per taste. Water. So now let's add kasuri methi for this mixture. Crush them and add. See how beautiful are they. So now let's add coriander leaves. And our dish hero malai. I've beaten it. And a teaspoon of sugar. Add a teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. So let it thicken. You can adjust your consistency as said. So now let's taste it whether the salt and the spiciness are correct. It's perfect for me. Finally, a teaspoon of ghee. Finally, few spoons of fresh cream, malai, kasuri methi. So our super extra delicious, incredibly delicious malai kofta ready. So now let's transfer it to a plate. Wow! It's very nice. Few kasuri methi on top for the cuteness and fresh cream on the top for that finishing touch. Beaten fresh cream malai. Ah, it's very thick. Ah, wow, it's awesome. So delicious malai kofta ready. I am eating it with a chapati. It's the best match for fried rice, pulao, butter naan and naan. So now it's time for tasting. So now let's taste this awesome recipe. So see how it's softened inside. See the raisins inside. It's very nice, and the piece of cashew. It's very nice. So now let's taste this. So now let's taste this awesome recipe. Aha. Very nice. It's very nice. Do try this at your home and comment below how was your experience, and comment how I did also. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, like, share, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon aside. Thank you for watching. Tata, bye bye.